A very good morning to all. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the bubble sort. Before we are proceeding to bubble sort, first you should know what is sorting. Sorting is a mechanism which is used to arrange elements in an order. The order, it may be ascending order or descending order. For arranging these elements in an ascending or descending order, we may use different types of sorting. From that, we are going to discuss one of the sorting is called as bubble sort. Sorting, it will be takes place to sort the element which is unordered collections. Okay, you can consider this example 77, 42, 35, 12, 101, 5. In this bubble sort, what it will do means first it will compare and identify the largest element and first move that element to the end of the list. Okay, then bubbling up largest element, how it is happening, that we are going to discuss further slides. Traverse a collection of elements. First move from the front to the end of the list. Bubble means bubble the largest value to the end of the position by using the pairwise comparison and swapping mechanism. You can see this. First it is comparing 77 and 42. Which one is largest? 77 is largest. During next step, the 77 and 42 will get swapped. Okay. Next we have to compare the 77 and 35. Which one is largest? 77. We have to swap it. Okay. Then next we have to compare 77 and 12. Which one is largest? 77. So swap it. Next 77 and 101. Which one is largest? 101. So there is no need to swap. Next we have to do a comparison. 101 and 5. 5 is smallest, so we have to perform the swap. Now the 101, it is moved to the end of the list. Okay. So the largest element is ordered in the last position. For that we will use this algorithm. First we have to identify the index position and the last comparison, it will be a n minus 1 because we are considering the index position as 1. So for example, we are having the 6 index position, right? So in this 6 minus 1, so 5 comparison have been taken place. Okay. Then items of interest. In this, the largest element is correctly placed. Next, we have to compare the check the remaining elements also, whether it is arranged in the order or not. Okay. So we have to repeat the same procedure to swap the elements. Now you can check. First we have to compare this 42 and 35. It will be swapped. 35 it will be comes here. Next will be 42 with 12. 42 is largest, swap. Next 42 with 77, there is no need of swap. Next we have to compare 77 and 5. We have to swap it. Next one is, in next pass, we will move this 42. Compare this to 42 is largest, move it here. Then in this next step, 35 and 5 will be compared. 35 is largest, so it is swapped to next position. Next one is 5 and 12 should be compared. If we compare this to 12 is largest, so it is swapped. So how many passes it has taken place? So 5 passes is taken place in order to sort the elements in the ascending order. Okay. For reducing the number of comparisons, we will compare the entire unsorted elements and we can swap also. How it has happened, we have seen this. Reducing number of comparison, on the nth bubble up, we only need to max and comparison. There is maximum value comparison. This is in the fourth bubble, right? So maximum is 6. Thus we have only the to comparison how to do it. First we have to compare with 35 and 5. Next one 12 and 5. We will use the two types of loops, inner loop and outer loop. Usually during each pass, first it will enter into the outer loop, then it will get executed the inner loop. How it is happening? Did we need a swap? No need of swap in this example. Next you can compare it, swap it. Next 98 45, we need to swap it, swapped. Next one is 98 and 14, we need to swap it, swapped. Then 98 and 6 is compared, 98 we need to swap it, swapped. Then 98 67, it will be compared, swap it. Then 98 and 33 we need to do a swapping, swapped. Then 98 and 42 again we need to do a swapping is taken place. So now the 98 is in correct position. Okay, like that we have to do. Whenever we do a swap, it will be get set to true. If there is no need to swap, it will set the false statement. Now you can check. We are going to perform the swapping, so it is set to true. Okay, second bubble up, then during second bubble up 67 it will be arranged. Okay, then third bubble 45 will be get placed in the position, right? You can see here. Then next one after third pass 45 67 98 is get ordered. Next you can compare it. If you compare next also, here there is no need to swap, so we can keep as such. Next 33, in this case also there is no need of swap. Okay, so remaining everything is get play ordered, right? This is a reference book. Thank you.